right, so today we got a different race for y'all. What I have here is a 2018 Dodge Demon. It's a Stage 4R Demon. We've got a 4.5 liter Whipple supercharger on it. So we just finished this car up. It's pretty much our standard Stage 4R package with the Whipple blower. So a little bit different. Boost-wise, we're around 16, 17 pounds of boost, but this is a much bigger displacement supercharger. These respond really well if tuned properly. So this thing is insanely fast. We did a few test runs earlier. So basically, on a close course, we did from 40 to 180 in about 15 seconds. So the car is extremely fast. So what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be running this against this Audi R8 V10 Plus. We're going to go from a 60 roll, okay? Just because of traction issues and safety, so on and so forth, and we're not gonna be going to 180 or anything like that. These are just gonna be short little runs just to show how they compare. Now, obviously this is going to beat the Audi R8. So what we're gonna do to try to just show some more fair comparisons is we're gonna do a few different runs, and we're gonna give the Audi several different car lengths head starts. So we'll hit them at the same time, and we'll just kind of estimate about the distance between them so you all can see on video just how, you know, if the R8 can keep up at a certain point, or if it's just totally pointless, or how much more powerful this is than this car. So let's get to it. We're gonna do like a 60 roll, and then basically, you know, we pretty much know the outcome of that. So then we're gonna do a few other things just to try to make it a little bit more fair. Like maybe we'll start off and give the Audi, like, you know, somewhat of a head start. We'll just see like how it compares. You know, this much heavier car, rear wheel drive, so traction's an issue. But obviously this has a lot of power. So we're on like 16 pounds of boost here. So we'll just see what happens. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, so we did one run. We started at 60 mile an hour, spun the tires a little bit, warm them up, and then we took off. So we're gonna try to get a different angle for you all, and we're gonna try to shoot it where I'm gonna give the R8 a decent head start, and we're just gonna kinda, that way you can have a comparison to how fast this gains or passes it up, I'm assuming. So we'll see. Traction is definitely an issue with this, where the R8 it's not. But it's doing better than I thought. It's cold here for Florida, it's like 55, so not great traction, but it is what it is, so we're just gonna deal with it. John, do you just want to like get out in front a few car lengths and just start like that?
Whatever you want me to do.
Yeah, just go ahead and do that. All right, I'm at 60. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so as you all can see, the Demon still destroyed the R8. We pretty much knew that. The Demon is actually, I mean, it looks and sounds really aggressive. It's actually pretty conservative. It's only on about 16 pounds of boost. So it's pretty much on the stock boost level of a regular Stage 4R Hellcat. It just has a much bigger blower, and the Demon platform is a little bit faster. So that's just kind of a comparison to if the R8 was already ahead, just so you can kind of see the difference. Pretty exciting. They're both awesome cars. They're just two totally different types of cars. So it's, you know, in some ways, the Demon is obviously going to be most beneficial and well suited to win this type of race. If you looked at an overall car, the R8 is phenomenal. As you can see, even though the Demon is a specific straight line car, it's been modified. It's got a huge blower that's, you know, much bigger than the stock blower. That Audi R8 is bone stock. Okay, so it is naturally aspirated, nothing done to it, stock air filter, stock tune, and it did pretty good in my opinion. I mean, I definitely don't think it embarrassed itself. So that kind of just goes to show you how good of a platform that Audi R8 Huracan platform actually is, even compared to a Demon. So in the comments below, let us know what you thought of the two cars. Tell us which one do you like better and why. Do you like the R8, the all-wheel drive R8 Huracan platform? Do you like the Demon? Why? Which do you think is better? You know, it's going to largely depend on like what kind of car you like, but we'd be interested to know. And then if you have like any other suggestions on cars that you want to see paired together, obviously we can't make this happen every single time. We are completely dependent on what we have here in the shop. So please take that into consideration. We only have so much to work with. We do get a very wide variety of cars in here, so we can make a lot of things happen, but there is some limit to that, obviously. Also, I want to remind everybody, so the Dream Giveaway Charger Hellcat, the black one with the orange that we did, a winner has not been drawn for that. So you all actually have until March 21st to win that car. So all you have to do is go to dreamgiveaway.com and use promo code Forza, and you're going to get extra chances to win. That car is absolutely stunning in person. I mean, you all see the pictures and stuff, but it doesn't do it justice compared to what that car actually looks like in person. We're super proud of that build. So hopefully somebody lucky is going to win that car. You should definitely get on there. Chances are very, very cheap, and they actually pay all the taxes on the car. So you're literally going to get that car right out. No taxes, no nothing. You are going to get 100% free car. So promo code Forza. Hope you liked the video. See you guys next time.